Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tz&C. So today we're making kale and cucumber juice. Right? So kale is a great source of vitamin C, B6, vitamin K, and potassium. It is also great in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and help to boost the digestive system. As for the cucumber, the water in cucumber helps to hydrate the skin. It is also loaded with vitamin K, which aid in blood clot, and also loaded with vitamin A, which aids in vision and help to build the immune system and also to keep your skin healthy and glowing. So with these few ingredients, cucumber, kale, and pineapple, we're going to make a very nutritious and healthy kale and cucumber juice. So with this green juice, it will not just detox your body, but it will also provide you with additional nutrients that the body needs in order to keep it going, to keep it functioning. So you see that green juice here? That green juice here, I go give the body a jump start. Is the same like how you give car a jump start? That green juice here are everything. So please try this recipe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell me how this recipe turned out when you try it. So first we're going to rinse or wash the kale, right? So whatever vegetables you buy, you want to ensure that you wash them, right? Guys, drop a comment in the comment section if you ever drink kale juice. Okay guys, so we're going to cut the cucumber. So we're gonna dice it. You can strip off the green outer part, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just going straight ahead and dice. So some persons like to strip off the skin, but this is a green juice, so we're gonna incorporate everything. So based on what you prefer, you can go ahead and do what you like, right? So we just continue to dice them. You can cut them smaller or based on your liking, right? So sorry about the noise in the background. So we're just going to continue to get all the cucumber diced. Okay, so here we have the washed kale and one chopped cucumber and the pineapples that are already chopped. So what we are going to do is we're going to add these ingredients to the bullet. So we're just going to add some kale, just add in any amount you want to add. This will do it, right? Then we're going to add some cucumbers. Make sure your hands are clean. And we're gonna add all of this pineapple. So we're going to put these away. Then we're going to add some water, about half cup. About half cup or so. And we're going to add some honey. So you can use your discretion with the honey. That's about what? A teaspoon. Then we're going to cover. We're just going to blend and allow everything to smooth out. So after blending, we strain 2 times with a big sieve and a small or a finer sieve, right? So this is how it is looking after straining. So refined and smooth. So this is our nutritious kale and cucumber green juice, detox juice. We just add a piece or so of pineapple and honey, about a teaspoon of honey, just for sweetening, just to add a little flavor to it. After blending, it normally have froth on the top, so you can just go ahead and use a spoon to skim off the froth from the top of it. Say guys, you see that juice, yeah? This power pack, it tastes so delicious. You see, after adding the pineapples and the honey and the cucumber, I just give it a different taste. You must try this, so you have to try this recipe. If you try this recipe, just give me a message and tell me what you think about it and tell me how it tastes. It tastes very nice, because after making this juice, yes, I'm not have to tell you no more. Go and try it out. Nutritious kale and cucumber. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.